guys, you saw the video. This bulldozer has plenty of power. It can pick up RC car, it can pick up rocks. Controller's nice to use. These buttons, basically, if you hold one, it's just beeping like a backup alarm. So you can pull these both back to go in reverse and hold that button and it will beep. And then this side cycles the loader like opposite of that side. Usually I push on that side and it'll do the picking up and then go back down and picking up and go back down. But this one will run it the reverse direction. And only RC vehicle I ever got that came with 2 chargers. It's got the wall charger, 220 volt, and then it also came with the USB style. Simple instructions. And mine came in a perfectly fit styrofoam box. The dozer exactly fits in there. And then, yeah, if you have other trucks, it's nice with the dozer. You can kind of build a dirt ramp and load up the trucks and stuff like that. And it's cool when you turn it on. It's got the diesel sounds. And when you get going, it does music, some rock guitar music. And then when the bucket goes up and down, it has kind of the squeaky sound like the real ones do. And not much of a brand. It just says truck on it all over the place. Yeah, so not much of a brand. Its only downfall is the switch on the bottom. You can see I ran some hot glue around it because so many times when I was in the gravel, on is forward, but you hit a gravel stone or something and it would turn the bulldozer off. So they should have put the switch somewhere else, but a simple fix, I did hot glue around it to make a shield to stick down more than the switch. So when it runs across some gravel or some sticks or some dirt, it won't shut off all the time. But the boys and I were laughing today because so many times when we were doing the video, it would turn itself off. I thought at first there's something wrong with it, but then we looked and, excuse me, it was just the switch pushed backwards. But yeah, I recommend it. You know, some toy grade things don't have any power. This thing, it spins the tracks. It lifts up quite a bit of weight. It can pick itself up, like you saw in the one video on the uneven floor. It raised up the front of the track so it could crawl up. So yeah, plenty of power. So thanks for watching. Maybe you guys can subscribe. Me and the boys are gonna do some little videos, construction videos. We got an excavator coming. We got quite a few military trucks, and this one's actually turned into a dump truck. So thanks for watching.